Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I cannot wait to share with you a DIY Dollar Tree spring floral arrangement. So this is the floral arrangement we are going to create. I cannot wait for spring. I know right now it's winter time, but spring is right around the corner, and why not make a gorgeous floral to lift our spirits? Everything that I used in this floral arrangement is from the Dollar Tree. I am not a floral designer, but I am a hardworking mama with a glue gun, and I'm going to share with you guys how you can make this beautiful floral arrangement using items from the Dollar Tree for next to nothing. So plug in those glue guns, get out your florals and some creativity, and let's get to crafting.
To create this beautiful Dollar Tree springtime floral arrangement, I am starting out with a piece of the moss colored Dollar Tree styrofoam. So Dollar Tree sells styrofoam. I just had covered this with moss. This was actually left over from another project. I'm adding it to the base of this floral planter. So these floral planters also come from Dollar Tree. They're originally silver, and I painted mine white and distressed the front. Now I'm adding in some taller pink springtime beautiful florals. I like to add my taller florals to the center and kind of add them in first, and that way these pops of color I can kind of work around. Now these are florals I already had on hand. I had some hydrangeas, these pretty little white cherry blossoms. I'm really using kind of that springy white color palette, but whatever colors in your home that you absolutely adore, I say go for. I love how sunshiny these beautiful daisies look, so I'm just kind of picking them in and around the floral arrangement. I am adding some taller height for the height, and then I'm adding in some of these white beautiful daisies just to kind of fill in. Another tip I have for you guys is to use some of these fuller florals and then alternate in with some taller, slimmer florals. That will really give your arrangement some beautiful dimension, and hydrangeas are absolutely amazing to fill out a floral arrangement. So I definitely love using hydrangeas. I added in some of these beautiful kind of lime colored ones, and then I'm just picking in this pretty kind of trailing hot pink floral just to kind of offset the taller ones that I had in the back of this arrangement. I hope this arrangement is bringing you joy. It sure brought a smile to my face when I was creating it. Here is what the floral looks like so far. I'm absolutely loving it. Now, I did have some Excelsior Grass that I wanted to add in. Dollar Tree also sells this. I think it's absolutely beautiful to fill in your floral. It's also going to kind of stabilize this base. Now, normally I would use 2 pieces of styrofoam, but I only had 1 on hand, so I want to kind of tuck this Excelsior Grass in and around the floral arrangement, and that is definitely going to give it some stability and fill in any of those kind of empty holes. This is a great tip also to fill out any of your floral arrangements. And I love this lighter color with the pastel palette that I have in my home. It just is going to give it kind of that springtime shabby chic vibe that I am so loving. ended up using an entire package of the Excelsior Grass in and around to fill in this floral arrangement. The next thing we want to do is add in some bows. So here is just a sneak peek of what the finished product is going to look like. I did want to go ahead and add a little bit more pop of color, which is another tip I have. If you guys run out of flowers, you can use ribbon to add in some more pops of color. So this is just some of that Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. I'm taking it and I'm looping it over on itself. I'm just kind of creating a floppy Olivia bow. If you need help making bows, I will leave some bow tutorials down below. So just take the ribbon and loop it over on itself twice, and then you're going to tie it in the center with this pipe cleaner. It doesn't matter really what color it is, as long as it kind of is going to blend in with your floral. Now I also had this heart pick left over from some of my Valentine DIYs, and I just wanted to use the pick to add the beautiful ribbon in. So I'm just pushing this down into the burlap piece, and then I'm taking the pipe cleaner and I'm twisting it around kind of the stem and end of that pick. That's going to make it pick very easily into the floral arrangement. The other trick I have is if you guys don't have any kind of heart pick, you can also just use the end of a stem. So take one of your flowers and use the end of that stem. You can hot glue that in. You can get creative and also use some Floral Wow if you have that on hand. Now I just want to take some of that Dollar Tree polka dot ribbon and I'm just wrapping it around my fingers to kind of give it this curly cute appearance. I'm going to trim that off. Again, this was left over from another project, but Dollar Tree does sell this really cute polka dot ribbon, and then you just kind of pull the end out, and that's going to make a really beautiful little curly cute ribbon. Now this ribbon is also wired, and you'll want to use wired ribbon to make kind of a curly cute. I added a dab of hot glue kind of to the back part of that heart, and then I'm just looping this piece of ribbon in. Easy peasy, you guys can totally do this, and this is going to give some more interest and dimension. I wanted to bring in that kind of burlap. I love using the burlap. I think it brings in that little touch of farmhouse that I really adore. And now on this side, I'm going to offset this with just another like loop of a bow, hot glue that together, and then I'm just going to hot glue it actually inside the base. Just a tiny tab of hot glue will hold that bit in. And you guys can play with this. So add your piece of ribbon, see if you like it, and then add another one, and you can always pull that out. I'm also curly cueing this one and then just dovetailing those ends by creating a triangle to give it that finished boutique floral finish. And now I've got a piece of pink wired ribbon from Dollar Tree. I did want to add just a bit to the back to kind of offset some of that burlap, and so I'm just hot gluing this in to kind of the back part of this floral just to really give it that finished appearance. Again, you guys can stop at any point depending upon how fancy or how not fancy you want. I think this floral is absolutely beautiful. I think it came out very high end, something you would see for about $50 to $60 in a store. We created for about $10 to $15 here, and especially if you get creative and use some of those florals that you already have. And look how gorgeous it looks on this beautiful tablescape offset by a white tablecloth, a beautiful white mirrored tray. There's that tiny pink of a heart. I love romance, and so just adding this tiny touch of heart will be perfect for me. And also, thank you guys, we're getting ready to roll into Easter. You could pick some Easter eggs into this arrangement. It would be absolutely fabulous. Comment and let me know, you guys, do you love these colors for spring, and what are your favorite colors for spring? I'm absolutely in love with this one.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh.
for joining me on this crafting adventure. Comment and let me know, what is your favorite part about spring? Is it the birds? Is it the sunshine? Is it the florals? Is it just that feeling in the air of hope? You guys, I love bringing hope to my home, to you guys. You guys bring me so much joy with all of your kind comments. I really hope that I'm inspiring you and bringing you joy as well. I have so many more DIYs planned for you. I cannot wait to share with you guys. If you guys are new, I have a ton of DIYs down in the description box. Also, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. I love all of you guys. I just want to hug you and have coffee and craft with you guys. I love you so much, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.
As we hold each other